Table football.
Table football. And what's the type of equipment we need, Liz?
So you need some bricks, big goals,
Okay.
a ping pong ball, and a straw to blow.
Okay, and what they're going to do is, one at a time, they're going to blow their ball, okay, and try and get the ball through the goals. And they're going to take it one turn at a time. Eliza's going to go first, and she's going to crawl around. Off you go, Liz.
Go, go, go.
That's a good start. She's going to crawl around. She's going to crawl around. Can she score? Can she get it in time? Oh, she's missed. Now she can go back to the beginning. And Wilson's going to go now. And Eliza's going to wait her turn. Off you go, Wills. No cheating, no using your hands. Blow. Blow. Good one. Unlucky, unlucky. Okay, now take that back. Now it's Eliza's turn. Can we see if we can get in it? Now there's a couple of different ways you can play this game. You can play versus. You can set up 2 goals. You can use a competition. Well done. Good goal, Liz. Okay, Wills. Now have a go without the straw, Wills. Chuck the straw away. Throw the straw away. Throw the straw away.
This one.
Yeah. And now just blow the ball. Blow the ball. Blow the ball. Blow the ball on the floor. Blow. Well done. And if they're struggling, you take the straw away to make it a little bit easier for them. Well done, Wells. Okay.